Hey, Tammy Hajar Miller at the Federal Savings Bank with mortgages and marijuana today. So have you been wondering about this? I know I'm getting the question a lot, so I figured I'd record a video and get it out. Is it possible? Maybe is the answer, and it depends. And just like any other profile, client package and profile and situation, it really does depend. And here's some key parts to keep in mind. So cannabis, marijuana is not yet legal on a federal level. So that means it cannot be approved within all programs. However, there are options that are not federally backed that we can consider. So let's look at mortgage financing landscape. One big field. There's a fence down the middle. And on one side of the fence are government products, and on the other side of the fence are non-government products. So some government products you probably have heard of: USDA for farmland, Veterans Administration, VA for the veterans that have served. Thank you for your service. And then FHA, Federal Housing Administration, is a very common first-time homebuyer program, although it's not just first-time homebuyer. That's the federal side, federally backed programs. Then we have the other side of the fence, which is the conventional side of the fence, which we synonymously hear Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac because they're the two largest investors in that space. So now, keeping that in mind, right now, April 27th, that's when I'm recording this, cannabis is not yet legal on a federal level. So we have to know that any type of federal program is not going to allow for income from the cannabis industry to be used in our approval process. However, if you are looking at a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac type of loan or a conventional loan, remember the other side of the fence, that is a potential area of opportunity that we can leverage those programs. So let's think about it. You work as a bud tender, you work in the warehouse, you work some sort of W-2 wage earner position at a dispensary or wherever it may be. You could potentially be eligible to purchase a home. I mean, marijuana is booming and so is real estate. So I know this is coming up more, but we have to document the income with pay stubs, W-2s. Of course, we need an employment history like we would any other type of mortgage consideration in underwriting. And we cannot, though, have any ownership interest. Okay, so that's kind of a sticking point. So if you're the owner of the dispensary or you have any type of ownership interest, right now there's not yet a ton of programs available for you. There are more and more opening up, and it seems as though it's going down that path, but as of yet, not quite a ton. So I wanted to give you a little insight into that. I'm sure there's a ton of questions that you have. Hopefully you garnered some from this, but the possibility is there. If you need any more further questions, email us at teamtammy at the Federal Savings Bank, or you have my mobile number to reach out. Look forward to hearing from you and helping you out. Have an awesome day. We'll talk to you soon.